Hi. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the next 10 in SMC4 and the first 10 in SMC5. Okay, let's go to the question. Let me share the questions. Right. Hope you can see the questions. Okay, let me get my pen working. Right. Okay, still it is sleeping. Right. Okay. Um, the letters A and B represent numbers, and A is 2 times B, right? So that means here, right, it is, there are 2 B's, right? A is 2 times B. So there are 3 B's on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, the numbers add up to 45. So if there are 3 B's on the left-hand side, that means 3 times the number that represented by B is 45. That means B is 15, and then A should be twice that, which is 30, right? Okay, so let's go to the next question. Nima has 4 jigsaw pieces with blue outlines. Which two can he put together to form the following square? And this square has 16 small squares, you can see, right? And so you can actually look at the shapes of the jigsaw pieces and find the answer, right? So, so there are 4 pieces, right? And so that means you can do, maybe now we can count the numbers small squares in each piece, right? So here, right, how many pieces we have? We have 4, 5, 9 pieces. And here we have how many pieces? We have 8 pieces. Sorry, small squares. And here, how many small squares? So 4, 7. And here, how many small squares? We have how many? 9. Is that correct? So 4, 7, 9. Correct. So if pieces, if 2 pieces fit together to form a square, then uh, the number of small squares in each piece should add up to 16. And you can see that it could be 1 and 3, or it could be 3 and 4, right? So those are only possibilities. 9 plus 7 is 16. So there is no other way. And you can see that it is actually now very easy to find out. It is 1 and 3, right? Because 3 and 4 actually they don't, even though the small squares uh, you know are 16 when they're together, but they don't fit, right? Okay, so let's go to the next question. Hub's dope is written in a secret code as follows. So Hub's dope, how many letters are there? So we have 10 letters, right? 10 letters. And here also 10 symbols, right? 10 symbols, right? 10. How is drop written in the same secret code? So there are 10 letters in Hub's dope and 10 symbols, right? So must be that each letter is represented by a symbol, and then this is dope, right? So drop actually, you just need to interchange, right, these two letters. And do we have an answer here, response here with those two symbols, right? So this should be the second, and this should be the third. Do we have one like that? Starting with this, right? And that, of course, we have here. Oh, so only this one start with that, right? Uh, Wait a minute. No, actually, uh, so the this doesn't count, right? On the four, right? So I actually made a mistake. So these two we need to interchange, right? To form drop, right? Starting with this man standing on head. So there are actually three of them, right? This one, and this one. But yeah, standing on head and hand actually to the uh, left. So only these two, right? And then this should be this man with two hands extended. So it is actually this one, right? So this has to be the answer, right? So yeah, that's a fun question, right? And maybe we can actually figure out how to send secret messages. If you Google, right, you can find out lots of material on sending secret codes. So this is actually something which belongs to cryptography. Cryptography, right? All right. Next question. Manit built the following structure using 6 cubes. Do we see 6 cubes? Yeah, three here and three here. Yes, okay. He used one drop of glue for each pair of group faces. How many drops of glue did he use in total? So here we can see glued pair of uh, faces. Here another one, and another one, and another one. So I'm doing it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 drops, right? Okay. So let's go to the next question. Malini laid 4 sticks and made a shape. Which one of the following could be the shape? Only 4 sticks. Sticks. So using only four. So we can also, make this the first one, right? This one using 6 sticks, right? Or 3 long sticks, right? So if we do like this, right, we use 3 long sticks. Or we can actually have like this: one stick, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. So that actually is the same shape, 6 sticks. So using four, right? Okay, let's see. So you think a little bit and scratch your head, and you can see that you can actually make this one, right? Here, 2 sticks, and here, okay. And then the other 2 sticks like this, right? So this you can definitely make, right? And after the, of course, you can check, now, right? You can stop the video and check. You cannot make the other ones, right? So D is the answer. 3 paths are shown in yellow, red, green on a square grid. Now, I'm sure that in your one, this was black, right? So 3 paths, black, red, green. So which of the following is a correct ascending order of the path lengths? So for that, we need to figure out the path lengths. So what is the length of this path? So we have, let's count, these, um, what? So they say that, so this is a square grid. So the side of a square, let's say it is 1 centimeter. So here, one, 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 one. How many? How many ones? 3, 5, 8. So this has length 8. And here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many ones? 4, 8. So you see, did we count all of them? We missed this one, right? Yes. So it is actually 5, 9. The length is 9. What about this one? So now we can count, okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So is this one? It's a diagonal, right? Of that small square. Yeah, you know that the diagonal is longer than the side, right? So let's say now we have 4 ones, 7. Is it correct? Yeah, I didn't count it correctly. So 8. So 8 plus a diagonal. So in the ascending order, right? So it should be, we know that there's a symbol like this, right? So 8 is smaller than 9, and 9 is smaller than this, right? Because so 9 is actually 8 plus 1, right? And this diagonal actually is bigger than 1, right? So the correct ascending order is black, red, green. So this is the answer, right? Okay, so we go to the next question. Gamni cut a ribbon along the blue dotted line as shown in the picture. This, ribbon is, um, so we cut it, and how many pieces? Let's count. So one piece here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, right? Right. So pieces. Anaya is shorter than Tarini. Yalini and Nimita are taller than Tarini. Tarini is shorter than Anaya. Who is the third shortest among them? So let's stand them, right? In a row according to their heights, starting from the shortest with the shortest. Let's see. Now, Anaya is shorter than Tarini. So we can write it like this. Anaya, shorter. So this strange symbol, maybe you don't know, but there's a symbol to say that shorter, small, right? So Anaya is shorter than Tarini. Yalini and Niveda are taller than Tarini. So both of them, right? Yalini, Niveda. Harini is shorter than Anaya. Harini is actually on this side, right? So we don't know whether Yalini is shorter than Niveda or not. But we know that Tarini is in the middle, right? She is actually third shortest or third tallest, right? You can say the same thing that way, right? 19, what is the area of the shaded region in square centimeters if each small square in the given grid has a side length of 1 centimeter, right? So let's count. So here we have one full square, uh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So actually, since the side is 1, so each one of those squares, right, has 1 square centimeter area. And 1 times 1, right? 1 times 1 is 1, right? Right. So then we have parts. Actually, half of a square, right? So this is half of the square, right? So 1/2 here, 1/2 here, 1/2 here, 1/2 here, right? So we have 4 1/2s, right? 4 of them. So they actually make 2, and then we have 6 there. So 2 plus 6 is 8. The answer is 8, right? All right. So let's go to the last question. How many coins are needed to be placed on a 4x4 board so that exactly 2 coins are in each row and each column? See, so 2 coins in each row and each column. So we can try, let's say this way, right? So we have 2 coins in this column, but a 1 in this row. So we put another one here, another one here, and then we need 2 coins here, number like this, and then we need 1 each. I mean 2 each in each of these columns, like this. So it works, right? So the answer is 8, right? Okay, now in the exam, sorry, in the competition, because these are not exams, competitions. After this, you don't think about it, you go to the next question. But now actually you can stop the video and think about it. This is the only way, right? I mean, to do this, you need to check, right? All right. So yeah, that's the last question, right? Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss the last 10 of SMC4 and the second 10 of SMC5. Okay. See you there, right?